Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. I'm very excited to announce that we have memberships available on our YouTube channel. So what does that mean? It means that you can decide and make the choice to become a member and support Social Media Ministries each and every month. Now, if you're familiar with YouTube channel memberships, then typically what it is you subscribe to the channel, you commit a monthly amount, and you give a recurring donation to support that channel, and then most of the time those channels have perks that are available to you. So here at Social Media Ministries, we're a nonprofit 501c3. This membership, you're becoming a monthly donor. You're going to become someone who is going to help support the work that we do at Social Media Ministries, bringing the gospel to the entire world. Essentially, we are virtual missionaries worldwide. We're trying to reach every single nation, all of the globe, with the gospel of Christ. So we really need your help to do that, and that's why we have launched these channel memberships. So become a recurring donor. We've got 6 different levels currently, ranging from a variety of prices. So if you want to just get started, you can dip in your toes. If you want to do a little more, you can get your feet wet. You can go up to your knees, up to your waist, up to your neck, or you can be fully submerged and help us out completing our mission to get more people to become Christians, members of the body of Christ, and spread the gospel to all creation. Now, of course, because it's YouTube channel memberships, we do offer certain perks with each of the levels. However, I'm going to tell you right away that if you want to join and become a member for the perks, that's the wrong reason, because we're not going to be offering a ton of perks and things like that. Our purpose, our mission is not to provide a bunch of perks and a bunch of benefits to members. All right, we do want to help and care for and be there for our donors. You guys are going to support us, so we want to be there to support you. But our mission is to reach the lost. Our mission is to get more people into the body of Christ. It is to share the gospel with all creation and to help them understand and interpret the scriptures in the Bible. So if you want to help us with that, become a member, partner with us, choose a monthly amount. The amounts range for the price of a cup of coffee or the price of a meal at a restaurant. You know, you can choose whichever one you like, and that will be automatically given to Social Media Ministries through YouTube. Now, of course, if you've been with us, we have tons of other options and tons of other ways you can support Social Media Ministries. You can check out a playlist here on ways to support Social Media Ministries. But this is the announcement of our channel memberships. We've got great options for you, and we do want to help you understand and interpret the scriptures in the Bible, which is why we've offered some excellent perks, and we are, of course, going to be updating and changing these and try to offer more and more as we grow. So get in early. Become a member at one of these levels. That way, if you become a member now and we ever change pricing or anything like that, you could maybe be grandfathered in at the lower levels, the lower cost. But we hope that if we eventually adjust our levels or change pricing, that you will rise up and commit a little more or upgrade your membership and keep supporting Social Media Ministries with more and more contributions so that we can really reach the world. And of course, we value your feedback, so become a member and start to have a say in Social Media Ministries. Thank you, and God bless.